Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Novastro token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Novastro is building a modular ledger layer for real-world asset RWAs, anchoring issuance on Ethereum's secure ledger while enabling high-performance trading across Arbitrum, Sui, and Solana networks. Designed as the ultimate bridge for RWA interoperability, Novastro multi-ledger architecture ensures universal access, eliminating soils and maximizing DeFi composability, surpassing single-chain constraints. XNL token. Novastro drives smart SPV based tokenization, on-chain yield through stablecoins, and AI optimized asset strategies with automated compliance, decentralized sequencing, and comprehensive service provider integration. Novastro enables the open scalable ledger standard for global RWAs market. Novastro token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 202 million XNL token. XNL token is listed on Gate.io, MEXC, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.